Welcome to all viewers and To the Point with IQ. It's a comprehensive series of import-export management with shipping for both professional and non-professional viewers. Today's topic is how international trade can survive under COVID-19. This is the first part of the topic of international trade financing and economics, which already been described on my first video. Before get start, just click the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get new upcoming videos on this channel. Question number 2. Why all the trade activities was subsided because of COVID-19? The answer of this question is, we never tasted a situation like this before that COVID-19 actually gave us. Even the world couldn't envisage that this pandemic can feast all parts of the world, one by one, and it moves towards one country to another country so fast. Today all the nations have in a state of emergency. They have no idea how they could deal with this pandemic situation. In other words, the world was not well prepared to deal with this pandemic disease. That's why we consult with each other and I chosen the basic preventive protocols, as same for any other pandemic disease. Question number 3. According to above discussion, how we justify increasing death toll numbers? The answer is, COVID-19 has 2% mortality rate. If we compared it with some other only respiratory viral diseases like severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, adenovirus, parainfluenza, common cold and flu, we found that COVID-19 mortality rate is far behind them some of other respiratory viral diseases. So in my mind, increased death toll numbers is due to scattering haste of this pandemic, because once you have 2 to 3 million COVID-19 patients in only 15 to 20 days time span, even 2% mortality rate shown up thousands of people death intimation on newspapers or television and of course on social media too. Moreover, most of the death numbers are on above age of 55, and we have to remember that any viral infections can be more serious for older adults. It not just only be the case of COVID-19. What the conclusion is? To the Point with IQ concluded that, if the second wave of COVID-19 will emerge, the world cannot react it like the same as we act against it before. I have seen that all trading activities will remain open, and act same as it does before with some minor changes. Right now United States and even in the UK they got thousands of patients every day, but the schools, shopping malls, amusement parks, bars, cinema, stock market, port and shipping, all of them are open under the instruction of their government policies. So all the import-export trading companies, or any concerned person, who has engaged with import-export business, don't have to worry about the upcoming future trade. We just have to reconcile our international import-export business policy, which will be well defined on my upcoming second part of this video. So, now this is the end of this video. There are numerous superfluous realities I have about the infiltration of COVID-19, but I commit myself once the understanding has established, just leave the topic, and this is the main SOPs of this channel, but this restriction is only for me. You can raise your questions right on your comment box, or by give an email. Thanks all of you for joining us. I hope you valued it very well. My top priority is to brand all impending videos more precise and of course, to the point. Click the bell icon and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. God bless you all.